Alright, today I'm showing you how to do a silicon carbide grip onto your pistol. Works especially well on polymer pistols. What I use is an epoxy and a 6090 grit. You can get both these on Amazon. I'll put links in the description. Very simple to do. All you got to do is dremel off all this after taping it up. Use cotton swabs or a paintbrush, put that epoxy on, and then sprinkle that dust. Lightly knocking it off, getting it to where it's a smooth finish all the way around, wherever you want that silicon carbide to stick. Alright, after knocking off as much of the old grip as you can, take some light fine grit sandpaper, get it as smooth as you want it to. Now you mix up this epoxy. I probably use a lot more than I actually need right there. You need about a quarter size. You can use a paintbrush or some Q-tips. Swirl this shit up. You got about a 15-minute time window before it starts hardening, so pitter patter. So now you're going to give a nice thin even coat across the entire gun. If you got it on too thick, it'll just sink right into it and you'll get a really shiny effect. See how thin this is right here? That's about what you're looking for across everywhere you want the silicon carbide to stick. Now you just start sprinkling that dust on. Have something to catch it in there if you want to try and reuse whatever misses on there. It's this easy. It's going to have a cure time of about 3 hours minimum. I usually let it sit for about 24. And it's good to go. Now you got a nice even coat all the way around. I'd wait till tomorrow to take all that tape off, and then just use a knife if you need to edge up anything that got more goo on it than it shouldn't have. Here's my well-used Legion. I redid this a few months ago. I do it about every 6 months, scrape it off with a flat tip screwdriver, and do the same process there. You can see where it starts to wear, but it's still a really hard, aggressive grit on here.